Aww, kitty's sad. You look so sad. He went, hands, and immediately got punched. How have I been? I've been alright. Why do you do this right before I click on the freaking speaker bot? Yeah, oh yeah, but Bro's getting put back. Don't worry about that. You started up a little bit early. I am not done yet. Darn crazy people. I think that should be it. My
dwarf impression isn't getting any better, but hey ho.
Hey ho.
Hey ho.
Hey ho. Wait! Wait! Frick you! Hello? The frick was that? Mad. Molding. Infuriated. Molding. What was that?
If there is some extra time before Boka gets bitten, there is something special for a reaction Taco recently brought up. An amazing indie animation a bunch of his friends worked on and didn't get enough love.
Or get bitten.
No ridges or bumps or valleys or lumps. Smooth brain Boka. Look at that cutie.
Oh, frick off. Right, we're gonna react to this stuff before we, MonkeyWrench.
Earth is a world and you are out world, so your world flat. And yes, I said flat cause you ignored praise.
Alright.
For the love of the all creator. The earth is not flat. Boka's chest on the other hand is flat.
That cargo you're carrying? Who assigned you that contract?
Beebs got it from some blues a few days ago.
You're only as good as the company you keep. You know what's holding you back. Cut it off.
Anything about you that's actually good?
I don't miss twice.
Take your shot, Little Red.
It's a pity what your father has been through. Mistakes are best left behind, after all.
I legit thought this guy was Rayman.
So is this like a fan animation? Or an animation? Someone made? Oh, he looks...
You can flatten the earth. If you really try Boka. Coolert believes Bokath one gun, and Boka is not flat. Boka is justice.
Shut up. Ooh, I get to watch an episode. Yay! Run, death. I like how it said running and death.
Flat-chested justice.
Who put you up to this? It was DH, wasn't it? Well, he's too late. I've already sent it to Law HQ. It won't change a thing. I'm not afraid of you. Okay. Actually, maybe I am. Your master is a man of opportunity. How about you both look the other way and I, here, have them. Something else, maybe. One of my casinos. Please, please. Surely I can be worth more to you alive.
No. I like how it goes, Chester dies. As it wasn't more obvious.
Hey, nice work as always, Miss Kara. A shame we didn't catch Chester in time. We're already putting together a plan to retrieve the package, but it'll take a while. However, to pass the time, I have something else for you. That bird, he's your next target. You can deal with his bodyguards as you see fit. Have fun.
The irony is not lost on me that they're sending a cat assassin against birds.
Where you going, money? You're my money, right? I love you, money.
I love you, mama.
Huh? ¿Qué pasa? I'm up.
Get by.
That is a rabbit.
Rise and shine, Shrek, my boy. So, did I win the bet? You're tangled in the bed sheets again, right?
No. What is it, peeps? I need my siesta.
You asked me to wake you up when we got here, remember? Get your lazy ass up to the bridge.
What? Here? Here where?
The J-O-B?
J-O-B. J-O-B. Oh, right. Yeah. I'll be there in a sec, amigo.
The owner of the Thick Chick Casino and one of the largest lobbyists for the League of Aligned Worlds, billionaire Chester McNevins, was found dead at Capella Station.
Is that a snail? How's she talking fast?
Late last evening.
What's wrong with her
Authorities
teeth?
believe it was another hired hit, as it bears striking resemblance to the previous 3 murders of LAW officials. They believe that the mysterious assassin, Kara, is behind them. Want to see the body?
That is a slug.
Yeesh, poor bastard.
She said, want to see the body? And then she showed it. Hello? Lady? You can't do that!
Hey, it lives. Good sleep?
Oh, sleep's good till you wake up, amigo. What are you watching? Anything good?
Just the news, as
A slug
miserable
has
as ever.
approximately
Looks like that
27,000 teeth.
That's a lot of teeth. I like that he has a beard and the shirt says beard.
character struck down another wealthy law supporter.
Probably deserved it. Supporting law and all. Oh, and speaking of miserable, when are we gonna get AG in here? Running out of this stuff.
We'll get artificial gravity when we can afford it. Have you seen our position on the board? We can't even think about fixing up the bucket yet. Slogging through lesser jobs to get to better paid ones is part of the game. It wasn't just me starting this Merc company. You gotta pull your weight too.
Yeah, no. So, what's the plan? You know, for the job?
The client said he'll meet up with us on the plant surface below at these coordinates. Looks pretty remote. Being so far out, my guess is that he doesn't want too much attention. Once we're down there, he said he'll discuss the full terms. At least that's what I can make out.
100K pixels, huh? Not bad. Looks like he just wants a bodyguard or something.
That's
all
a
the way out
bird.
here, though. Sounds super shady to me, amigo.
Not
Who
a
writes like
rabbit.
this?
How'd you get
We'll find out when we
rabbit
get
from the
down
beach?
there. Not as if we can't handle ourselves if things get rough.
At least the pay is better than our last job you got us. I ain't never removing super ticks off a jumbo space whale ever again for measly 25K. Man, I need my pizza fixed. And soon.
How about once this job's over, and to make up for the last one, we go hit up the nearest pizza apocalypse. You can get your favorite.
15 cheese.
Atomic Supreme.
Atomic Supreme. Is that like a really hot cheese pizza? News in the future. Hey kids, want to see a dead body? Yeet. That's what I'm saying. Just be like, you want to see it?
This is the guy. Oh, I swear, if this is some sort of yes.
Let me handle it. So, you're Nobert? You don't look exactly like your profile.
No profiling me.
It sounds like him. You contacted us about doing a job for you 2 days ago?
No, Bert, job ghosting.
Is that a yes? Ghosting?
No.
Este loro está loco.
You said you'd provide us with the full job terms when we got down here?
Ghosting? What ghosting?
Ghosting?
It's okay, calm down. No one's gonna ghost egg you?
Can I shoot him, please?
No! Gonna ghost me!
Thieves, please don't tell me we came all this way. A trip that took 2 full days of blue space travel, mind you, to some swamp-ass armpit of a solar system to protect a neurotic lunatic who thinks he's being haunted by a phantom fainting head!
Mate, we're already here. We're doing it.
All right, fine. How long we gotta put up with this little freak?
Says he needs us to escort him to Dock 57 on Oberon Station. There he can be free from ghost egg. His words, not mine.
Wait, Oberon? But there's at least 6 days trip from here. You're saying I gotta put up with him and his phantom huevos for 6 whole days?
And besides, just look at him. Poor guy could use a break.
Oh, he's dealing with a break, all right. All right, let's go, Eggman. 10K Pixels say this will be boring as all hell. Huh?
What the?
Huh?
There's the bird, lads! Get him for Queen Tyneen!
And we didn't shake on it. I owe you nothing!
Here we go. Wait a sec. Is that Sanchez? Is that you?
Ricky? Ah, what the hell you doing here, man?
Boss Queen Tyneen sent us after the bird guy. He's got quite the bounty on his head. Don't tell me you're after it too.
Nah, man, this is a Merc contract thing. Wait, bounty? He's got a bounty, babes. He's got a bounty. How much?
I think it was something like 10 million pixels. Wait, I shouldn't have told you that.
Babes, please! It's at least 100 times what we're gonna...
Oh no, not this time. We're not breaking this contract. Sorry to cut the tea party short, fellas. We got a job to do. Tell old Queenie we said hi.
Huh? Oh, what's this? Oh!
He picked it up. He was like, what's this?
Bounty that big? No wonder he wanted an escort.
They're still not getting that 10K, by the way. And you! How the hell did you get a bounty that damn high? Babes, I wanna swap shoulders.
he just started smiling and laughing. That's not what you want to hear when you're on the same shoulder as someone. Is like, you ask them, how did you get up a high bounty? And they just start laughing and giggling.
Why didn't you hit them?
We don't have any eyes.
Oh yeah. Tyneen ain't gonna like this.
Yeah, bring it. What up? You got the bird, yeah? Bring Mama some of that good news.
Sorry, Mama. No good news. That bird got the MonkeyWrench guys as escorts under some sort of Merc contract thing. From the sound of it, they're taking him to Oberon.
Sanchez? They not after the bounty the Proteus gave him? Ha! Get your ass back up here, Rickett. We're heading out.
All right, listen up. All sights on that idiot Sanchez. When his ship escapes the atmosphere, I want everyone ready to board that heap of scrap. We'll kick the...
Is that a rhino? Are those horns or her hair? She looks really cool though. But is that like a rhino shark thing?
The atmosphere. I want everyone ready to board that heap of scrap. We'll kick the crap out of him and take the bird by force. And once we have, we'll force the Proteus to quadruple the payout.
I really want that money for a new battle cruiser. Spokes! Yes, Mammy Jammy! Be ready to target Sanchez's ship and fire the grapple the moment they get in range.
Aye, aye, Queenie Weenie. Grapple, wapple, go zip, zoom, kaboom.
Zip, zoom, kaboom.
Target sighted, Captain.
Ready. Aim.
getting a lock on us.
Don't worry, it's fine. All we gotta do is jump out of here. Like right now.
You did make sure Nobert's comfortable before we hit blue space, right?
Yep, I tucked him in nice and tight. Hang on to your cheeks, amigo. We're out of here!
Fire!
No, too late. Birdie, go bye-bye.
By the way, can you DM me your character
It's
reference?
okay, tiny girl. Calm down. It doesn't matter.
Maybe.
We know where they're headed. We'll just have to ambush them at Oberon.
Actually, Your Toothiness, if I may interject, if we had just headed to Oberon instead of attacking them just now, then they wouldn't know that we were coming, and we could have had the element of surprise on our side.
I love the little like caption down at the bottom that went, "Ghost Egg's real?"
So, how do you think a thing like Norbert got a bounty of 10 million pixels? You know, besides him going all the time.
Beats me. But for that amount, someone wants him dead.
I've been with him for like, what, 30 minutes? And I already want him dead. Yeah. Hey, you give me a heart attack, why don't you? Wait, how'd you get out? Hola!
Would you take him back to his room? Gently.
Oh, yeah. Come here, you scraggly little... I got you! What now? Hey, if you can't tell, I'm a little busy right here, so call back later. Hey, unless this happens to be that fine senorita from Antares Falls.
Hey, Squidhead, my man, my amigo, as you're so fond of saying. How's it going?
Oh, hey, it's you, Scratch. ¿Qué tal, animal?
So, I hear you're in possession of a certain someone with a rather hefty bounty on their wee tender head,
I don't know where you heard that.
Dude, he's right there. I can clearly see him. Besides, word's got now. You guys are honoring his contract instead of handing his head over to the appropriate authorities? Who are you? That's not the Sanchez I know. You would have jumped on that like a fat kid on a cupcake.
What? Me? I would never. It was Babe's idea.
And here I thought we were amigos. How could you lie to me like that, man? I'm hurt. I think oh yeah, there it goes. Oh no, I'm heartbroken. Oh, shame. After all I've done for you, helped you set up your company, got you a great deal on the bucket. The bucket!
Oh, por amor de Dios. Tug at my heartstrings, why don't you? Oh, what'll make you go away?
Well, a nice gesture a true amigo would do would be to give us the bird. I'm gonna need that bounty money now more than ever to replace the heart for the one that you just broke. And, you know, for all the other things you still owe me, too.
The only thing I owe you is a swift kick up the culo.
Fine. If you want to be that way, I'll just have Scritch here blow you guys to smithereens and I'll take the bird that way. Your call, amigo.
He's got a lock on us.
Oh, fine. Whatever will make you leave me the hell alone. I need your coordinates if you want me to send them over.
Oh, goody. We're just at your 7 o'clock high, amigo. What?
Amigo, that pendejo!
So, now that's over. You want to take Nobert back to his quarters? If Tiny and Scratch know about his bounty, then we sure as hell got a lot more trouble coming.
Hey, I welcome anything that could liven up this 6-day-long babysit, amigo. Come here, you stupid...
This is gonna be a fun couple of days. Time to buckle up.
Goose egg! No!
I swear that's gonna bite back at him later.
I like how the montage is just, Bird wants to go somewhere, Bird goes somewhere. Someone's there to try to get him. Yeah, it's a Switch controller, guys. It's a Switch controller.
Traveling with Baka be like.
Rude.
Finally, we're here. I can't wait to be rid of this guy. I never want to hear him ever again.
Bucket will be a lot more quiet without him. I think I might even miss him.
After this, it's onward to Pizza Apocalypse and my 15 cheese atomic supreme, baby.
I don't know how you can eat that thing and survive, man.
Babes, is it just me or are we being followed?
I'm sure it's just you. Come on, No Bird's Gate is just down here.
So, how much you want to bet Tyneen or Scratch drop in at the last second?
Why would you want to win that? Okay, Mr. No Bird, here you are. We escorted you to Dock 57 on Oberon, as contract states. Just sign here, and our business is done. You'll be free from ghostings.
Oh, look at you, all professional-like, huh? It's pizza time, baby!
Signing me!
Oh, hey! Fancy seeing you guys here. Well, did you come to see him off, too? Oh, I hope you brought some tissues. It's gonna be a very touching farewell.
Got it, Sanchez. Hand over the bird, and you won't be hurt too badly.
Yeah, forfeit the foul!
Hey, the queen got here first, Furman.
I called it.
We have dibs.
What do you mean, Dibs?
What do
the
you
bag
mean?
bounty rightfully belongs to me! Mine, bonehead!
Aw, look at the fat little kitty Mao. He's trying to play pirate.
Oh, you're asking for it now, you dumb boner!
Look, it's the ghost egg!
Ghost what? Can't believe we fell for that. After him, ladies!
Silence, please!
That's public property. You're gonna have to pay for that.
Oh no.
Aww! Kitty's sad. He looks so sad.
Huh? Huh? Oh.
Dino. He went, hey, and then immediately got punched. Is the cat supposed to be like comic relief?
Ooh, come to it. Oh, God.
Oh.
I got him, guys! I got him! Huh? Oh, what's that? Oh, goodness! Huh? Hey, no blinds! That's cheating!
No way! Is that Kara?
Kara, wait. Isn't she that elite assassin chick that's been... Wait, assassin? Oh, no, you don't! That bird is mine! I got to eat that. Hold on. Look, it's been a long 6 days. And I've had next to no peace and quiet thanks to him and his constant no's. Guys like you coming in and busting my ass. And
Someone wasn't
as much as I'd
keeping
like
count
to
of their
offer the weirdo
bullets.
myself, I have a contract to uphold. And I really, really want some pizza. So please, make this easy for me and step away from him. Now!
Ghost egg.
Queen Paltu? No, mommy. No runaway, son. No runaway from responsibilities. No, Hayden. Come home. Empire needs you. No. Please. No. Please. No. Please. No.
Yes, mother. Yes, mother.
Well, there goes my new battle cruiser. Miss Kara, wait!
Yeah.
Sign my back!
If that don't beat all.
After all that, babes, we didn't get paid.
What? Oh.
Aww. Sad kitty is sad.
This the thing that people have been killed over. Don't look that special to me.
Whoa. What if it's cursed? Maybe we're next.
Yeah, whatever it is, I ain't risking my life for it.
But Commander Tazori said to...
Nuts to her. Let's just pawn it off to someone else. Our shift's almost over anyways.
If you say so.
Let's go hit up J-Face.
It's a bean in a mech suit.
Spooky monks. It was a bean in a mech suit.
So what did Boka think of MonkeyWrench? Pretty damn amazing for an indie animation, right? And they already made 4 full episodes so far.
It's really good. I like it. Quite good, quite good.